Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character kōng or kong step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Now, let's write. kōng, kōng or kong. As kong, it means empty. Sky, 天空 in van. As kong, too empty. Space or free time. Now check these words. 抽空 抽空 to find time to do something. 抽空 to find time to do something. 清空 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 to clear, to empty. Here is a sentence. Please take time to clear the warehouse. Please take time to clear the warehouse. 请抽空清空仓库。请抽空清空仓库。请抽空 Please take time. 抽空 Find time to do something. 清空 To empty. 清空仓库 Warehouse. 请抽空清空仓库。空 or kōng in cursive. Kōng, empty. Sky, in van. Kōng, to empty. Space, free time. 抽空 to find the time to do something. 清空 to clear, to empty. Please take time to clear the warehouse. 请抽空清空仓库。空 or kōng. Please comment any sentence with the character kōng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.